Nice.
Slow down, huh? Slow.
Yeah, it's fine. So the door handle works now. That part was actually part number I got from Honda. They said it was for the driver's side, the number wise, where my homeboy told me that the part number I gave him was for the driver's side, but I figure same shit. It turns out it works, so we're good to go now. So the next fix is this. Okay. So this handle here, the seat doesn't lean back, so I gotta take this plastic piece off and then remove it and see if it's a spring or something I need to replace on there, because the passenger seat's hella clean and it gives me that NSX vibes. So let me move the cars around. 240 is dead. So I gotta bring the jumper for that and jump it. But yeah, so the car is up and running. Everything is very well with this Accord. Engine is solid. So nice and quiet, fires up. I'm gonna go ahead and reverse park this so it's easy for my dad to get in and out. And then yeah, so we got that done. So quick video. Thanks for watching. Let me park it.